Simple guides on how to start trading penny stocks today. Penny stock trading is a promising thing to do today, which will promise a lot of profits in the end. The ways on how to start trading penny stocks are not that simple. Beginners will always need a simple guide to follow to get into the thing real quick. There are several things to consider and understand at first, before doing the trade for real. These are some of the basic things of penny stock trading. 1. Decide whether to do it or not. The so-called penny stocks are stocks that are low in terms of its initial price. The idea to invest in it is to go for a large sum. It offers a lot of attributes that will lead to a large sum of money as its profit in the future. Unfortunately, it is not the right choice for everyone. Some people think of the risk of penny stock trading outweighs the possible profit. So, it is important to understand everything about it to eventually decide to do it or not. 2. Do paper trading for practice. The next thing on how to start trading penny stocks is to start paper trading at first. There are risks in doing stock trading, even penny stocks. The function of paper trading is to practice dealing with everything and doing the trade. That includes dealing with the possible risks of doing the trade, so that eventually when doing it for real, it will be easier to handle the risks. When doing the paper trading, the chance to decide whether to go for it further or not remains open. 3. Focus on specific companies. It is never a good idea on how to start trading penny stocks without a focus. Investing in the so-called hot industry companies will not be 100% profitable in the end. It is better to focus on specific companies that are clearly understood by the investors in terms of the business. More importantly, the so-called hot industry companies will be on everyone's mind to invest. The price of the stocks will be high already when buying them, which will not be good for profit, right? 4. Passion and human nature. It is important on how to start trading penny stocks to go for the individual passion instead of other things. Things that are the passion of someone will certainly be the things that the person understands thoroughly. This will make it easier to think of the possible outcome of the investment within the trade. Going for the investment in penny stocks within the unfamiliar scope of things will increase the possible risk instead of the profit. 5. Go with the risks. There are risks in trading penny stocks. Amidst the ways on how to start trading penny stocks is to go with the probable risks of it. Think of the risks that could happen and decide whether or not the risks can be handled. When the risks are too great, then avoid that and just go for the other. Click the link below in the description to learn more.